Fetch Rewards bank account linking problems usually happen because of incorrect account information, connection errors, or issues during the payment setup process. By the end, you'll know how to check your bank details, troubleshoot common linking problems, and what information to send if Fetch Rewards support needs to review your account. Section 1 is checking your account information. Open the Fetch Rewards app and go to the payment or account settings where you are trying to connect your bank account. Review the information you entered and make sure it matches your actual bank account details. Incorrect information can prevent the connection from completing. Check that the bank account is active and that you are using your own account information. Using outdated or incorrect details can cause the linking process to fail. If you recently changed banks or updated your account, confirm that you are entering your current information instead of older details. Before trying again, carefully re-enter the information and check each field before submitting. Section 2 is fixing app and connection issues. A bank connection can fail when the Fetch Rewards app, browser, or internet connection has a problem. Check your internet connection before trying to link your account again. A weak or interrupted connection can stop the setup process. If you are using the Fetch Rewards app, check whether an update is available. Updating the app can help fix problems caused by older versions. Close the app completely and reopen it before attempting the connection again. If you are completing the process through a browser, try clearing browser data or switching to another browser. This can help when saved information is causing problems. Avoid repeating the same failed attempt without checking your details first. Review the information, make corrections, and then try again. Section 3 is contacting Fetch Rewards support. If your bank account still will not link, contact Fetch Rewards support with the details needed to investigate the problem. Include the email connected to your Fetch Rewards account, the device you are using, the steps you followed before the error appeared, and any error message shown on your screen. Adding a screenshot of the problem can help support understand where the linking process stops. A detailed support request gives the team the information needed to identify whether the issue is related to your account, the app, or the connection process. The key points are simple. Check your bank details, troubleshoot your app and connection, and provide clear information if support needs to help. Your next step is to open Fetch Rewards, review your account settings, and retrieve the bank connection after confirming your information. If this guide helped you fix a Fetch Rewards bank linking problem, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.